with some wind. Crete just, oh, there goes Crete. He's sliding. He's tipping. He's having problems. He just went up on 2 wheels on the left side. He is having some major, he is just about airborne. Whoa. He's gone over. There he goes. Whoa, nice save, Crete. Nice save, dude. And he's out here. Wow. Nice fucking save. I got that on video. Woohoo! There he goes again. I'm afraid to pass this dude. Yeah, dude, this dude's empty. What are you doing out here, Crete? This car's getting itchy. She's gonna try to pass him.